We talk about uninsured motorist coverage all the time, and what it's for is if you're in an accident and whoever caused the accident didn't have enough insurance, then after that insurance is exhausted, or if they didn't have any right away, the uninsured motorist coverage comes in and picks up where the other one left off. And it sounds like here that she was a passenger in a car, the driver's liability insurance was exhausted, and then that would be her uninsured motorist coverage, and she probably has it if she has it through her father. It's going to be a resident relative probably, and so that his would come in and go on top of the liability coverage to compensate her for her damages.
Yeah, uninsured motorist coverage is something that you really always want to have. It's a cheap way of really making sure that you're not being exposed to an uninsured driver on the road. Even though the law requires all drivers on the road to have at least $25,000 in liability coverage, there are drivers out there who don't have coverage at all, and many of them just have the liability, the minimum limit, and so you would want to insure you and your family over that amount in some amount, and it's cheap, and it's something everyone should do.
Right, and there's two kinds that you can get. One is called add-on or excess, and one is the traditional kind. And the traditional kind, if you have $25,000 worth of uninsured motorist coverage and the liability carrier had 25, you essentially have no additional coverage because that 25 comes off there at 25. If you have add-on or excess insurance, then it's added on. So if the liability carrier has 25, then you have add-on 25, you have 50 against which to potentially recover. And it doesn't cost much more, and the insurance companies and the agents are, in my judgment, are kind of trying to get you to guess wrong and pick the one that's offset. So make sure with your agent you get the right kind. You want an add-on uninsured motorist coverage.